the fascinating world of flamingos. Flamingos are some of the most captivating birds in the animal kingdom. The word flamingo is derived from the Spanish or Portuguese word flamengo, which means flame-colored or flaming. This name reflects the bird's vibrant pink or reddish plumage, reminiscent of the color of flames. Known for their vibrant pink color and unique behavior, these birds, belonging to the Phoenicopteridae family, can be found in regions across Africa, the Americas, and parts of Asia. With their long, slender legs, gracefully curved necks, and distinctively colored feathers, flamingos have captured the fascination of people worldwide. But what lies beneath their beauty? Let's dive into the world of flamingos to explore their appearance, diet, social behavior, ecological importance, and some fascinating facts that make them truly unique. Flamingos are instantly recognizable due to their tall stature and striking pink feathers. An adult flamingo can grow up to 5 feet tall, with about half of this height attributed to their long legs. They are well suited for wading in shallow waters where they spend most of their time. Flamingos are often found in lagoons, salt flats, and coastal wetlands, areas where water is shallow enough for them to stand and feed comfortably. They are not limited to warm regions. Some species can also survive in high altitudes and colder climates. The vibrant pink color of flamingos actually comes from their diet. Flamingos feed on small crustaceans, algae, and other microscopic organisms, especially ones that contain a pigment called carotenoids. These pigments, also found in foods like carrots and shrimp, are broken down in the flamingo's liver and give their feathers the pink or reddish hue for which they are famous. Interestingly, flamingos are not born pink. They develop this color over time based on their diet. A flamingo with a poor diet will often have pale or white feathers, showing how diet directly influences their appearance. Flamingos are also known for their unique method of feeding. They have specially adapted beaks that allow them to filter feed, meaning they turn their heads upside down in the water to scoop up food while filtering out any excess water and mud. This behavior is both fascinating to watch and is an essential part of their survival, as this allows them to capture tiny, nutrient-rich food items. Flamingos are highly social birds and are rarely seen alone. They live in large colonies, sometimes numbering in the thousands, which provide them protection from predators and help them find food more efficiently. Their social structure is built on a unique form of communication that includes a range of vocal sounds and displays. Flamingos honk, grunt, and use other sounds to communicate, especially during breeding season when finding a mate is essential. In addition to vocal sounds, flamingos are known for their elaborate courtship dances. During mating season, groups of flamingos perform synchronized dances, which involve stretching their necks, flapping their wings, and twisting their heads. These courtship displays are not only beautiful to watch, but are also crucial for strengthening bonds between flamingos and ensuring the continuation of the species. Some interesting facts about flamingos. Flamingos produce a red-colored milk called crop milk from glands in their digestive tract. Both male and female flamingos feed their chicks this nutrient-rich liquid until they are old enough to eat on their own. Flamingos have excellent vision and can see ultraviolet light, which is beyond human sight. This helps them navigate, find food, and communicate visually with one another. Some flamingos live in highly saline and alkaline lakes where few other animals can survive. Their tough skin and scales on their legs protect them from harsh conditions. Flamingos can live quite a long time in the wild, typically 20 to 30 years, though some in captivity have reached up to 50 years. Despite their gangly appearance, flamingos are strong, fast flyers. They can reach speeds of up to 56 kilometers per hour when migrating, and they often fly in a V formation to reduce wind resistance. During the breeding season, flamingos perform elaborate and synchronized courtship dances involving wing flapping, head turning, and group marching. This dance helps them attract mates and is mesmerizing to watch. Flamingos are highly social animals, living in colonies that can range from a few dozen to tens of thousands. Being in a group helps protect them from predators and helps them find food more effectively. Flamingos are known for their iconic one-legged stance. Scientists believe that this helps them conserve body heat, as standing on one leg reduces heat loss through their limbs. Flamingos have specially designed beaks that allow them to feed upside down. They use their beaks to filter tiny food particles from water, like algae, plankton, and small crustaceans, trapping food and pushing out water. Flamingos hatch with gray feathers. Their vibrant pink color comes from the pigments in their diet, specifically carotenoids found in algae and crustaceans. The more carotenoids they eat, the pinker they get. Flamingos most commonly sleep standing on one leg, although they occasionally sleep lying down. While sleeping, they often tuck their heads beneath their wings for warmth and protection. Their unique posture while standing is thought to reduce muscle fatigue and conserve energy, as they have a locking mechanism in their legs that keeps them stable even while they rest. Flamingos can expel salt through sneezing-like actions. Flamingos live in saline or brackish water environments, and they consume salt water while feeding. To regulate their salt levels, they have special salt glands located above their beaks. These glands remove excess salt from their bloodstream, and the concentrated salt solution is expelled through their nostrils, which may look like sneezing. This adaptation allows flamingos to thrive in extreme habitats. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. This fitting term reflects their vibrant pink coloration and graceful social nature. Flamingos often gather in large flocks, which can also be referred to as colonies. The flamingo is the national bird of the Bahamas. Specifically, the West Indian flamingo, also known as the Caribbean flamingo, holds this designation. These vibrant, long-legged birds are predominantly found in regions such as the Galapagos Islands, the Southern and Northern Caribbean, and the Yucatan Peninsula. In the Bahamas, they are notably present on Great Inaugural Island, where conservation efforts have helped protect their populations. Flamingos play a vital role in their ecosystems. By feeding on algae and small invertebrates, they help control these populations, which can benefit other animals and maintain ecological balance. In many regions, flamingos also contribute to the economy through ecotourism, as people travel from far and wide to see these magnificent birds in their natural habitats. Protecting flamingos is essential, not only for maintaining biodiversity, but also for supporting the local communities that rely on tourism. Despite their importance, flamingos face several challenges. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change are significant threats to flamingo populations. Many wetlands where flamingos thrive are being drained for agriculture or development, limiting their natural habitats. In some areas, pollution has contaminated the water flamingos rely on, affecting their food sources and leading to health issues within colonies. Conservation efforts, such as protecting wetlands and creating wildlife reserves, are essential to ensure the survival of these beautiful birds. Flamingos are more than just colorful birds. They are a crucial part of the ecosystems in which they live. From their unique feeding habits and social behaviors to their ecological importance, flamingos are fascinating creatures that highlight the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Through continued conservation efforts and awareness, we can help protect flamingo populations for future generations to appreciate and admire.